Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens from Kucoin to Exmo in 2025. If you're holding SHIB and want to move it to another exchange for trading, staking, or just better security, this tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kucoin account. If you haven't already, head over to the Kucoin website or app and sign in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see a list of all your cryptocurrencies, including your Shiba Inu balance. Double-check that you have enough SHIB to cover the withdrawal amount plus any network fees. Remember, blockchain transactions aren't free. Next, select Shiba Inu from your assets. Click on the Withdraw option, which might be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer Out. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Head over to your Exmo account, go to the Deposit section for SHIB, and copy the wallet address provided. Paste that into the withdrawal form on Kucoin. Don't forget to select the correct network, like Ethereum, ERC20, since SHIB is an ERC20 token. In 2025, always verify the network to match what Exmo supports to prevent any lost funds. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Kucoin will show you the estimated fees and the final amount you'll receive. Take a moment to review everything, address, amount, and fees, to make sure it's all correct. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After submission, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. A quick tip. In 2025, with crypto regulations tightening, always enable withdrawal whitelists on Kucoin if available, and double-check Exmo's deposit requirements. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, contact Kucoin support right away. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw SHIB from Kucoin to Exmo. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.